Here I have Vivax Fly 6, and today I'm going to show you how to enter safe mode on this device. So, firstly, you'll have to hold down power key, and after you see this turn off menu, what you have to do is to hold your finger on the power off button, and after that, the window let me try one more time. The window reboot to safe mode will appear. Tap OK, and after that your device will be restarted in a safe mode. And as you can see, the sign says safe mode, which is the proof that we are in a safe mode right now. As you can see, there's also all of the internet apps are disabled because the internet is not safe for you. So if you want to exit this mode, just hold down power key and then tap restart, and after that your device will be restarted in a normal mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.